Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make coconut bridge mocktail. This is very simple mocktail actually you can try. Okay, my name is Ditendra Acharya. Today I'll tell you one more very fancy cocktail, coconut bridge. How to make that coconut bridge mocktail. First of all, you should take a shaker glass. After that, you have to pour 20 to 30 ml of like coconut syrup. After that, you have to pour very simple mocktail 10 ml of 5 to 10 ml of ginger syrup. Okay, after that you have to add some sugar syrup or simple syrup. Then you have to pour lots of ice cube, and you have to pour some monster also. Then you have to pour some ice cube. Very simple mocktail you can try. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well. I forgot to add my audio. That's why. Then take a hurricane glass and shake well all the ingredients. And you have to pour a hurricane glass. Okay. This is the coconut bridge mocktail. Then take a small decanter and add 2 to 3 ml of grenadine syrup, and you have to pour limca. So there's some nice fancy color it come. Okay, and pour the mixing of grenadine syrup and limca on top of the mocktail. Slowly you have to pour. The mocktail name is coconut bridge. See how the fancy color came. 2 layers. See, your mocktail is ready. See, this is just totally different color. You can garnish the mocktail with lychee or lime slices and garnish umbrella. This is very fancy mocktail you can try and serve with mint spring. See, your mocktail is ready. I hope you like this mocktail with a lychee flavor. You can call lychee and coconut flavor. See how the fancy color came. The combination of coconut syrup, ginger syrup and monster, sugar syrup, grenadine syrup and limca. You can make this mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail and you can prepare this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video also. If you like this mocktail, please like and subscribe my channel and just for this mocktail. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.